this fan had the problem. Of course, I've already rectified the problem. It wasn't spinning. When you switch it on, it was just going slowly, just slowly, not spinning like it's supposed to do. What I had to do is just remove the propeller, and I put some oil on the spindle here, some oil here, and some oil at the back, here. And at a certain point, I thought maybe it's the capacitor, but I said no. Let me just try oiling it and see what will happen. And after everything, it turned out that was the problem. That was the problem because of dirty, some dust and the like, you see. So it's difficult for it, and the motor was getting hot, so. And now when I switch it on, it goes sharp. See, that's at 1. You can see the speed, but it's at 1. Put it on 2, it's going faster. Put it on 3, even more faster. So the problem was just simple. Just oil the spindle and good to go. It's going sharp. Alright, good luck. Don't throw away the fan when it does that. Try at home. Save money. Good luck.